Okay, let's get into how we can screencast something to your students. It's a very simple key combination that you want to be pressing on your keyboard of Command Shift 5. Okay, so Command Shift 5 will open up this small dialog box. And what we want to be focusing on are these two buttons here. These two buttons allow you to record either your entire screen or a certain section of your screen. I just want to record my entire screen here for a moment, so I'm just going to click on this button. And once I have that clicked, you'll notice my cursor turns into this little camera, and as soon as I click again, that will start the recording process. So if I click, I'm recording right now, and how do I know I'm recording? Well, as soon as I clicked, you'll notice up here in my menu bar, I see the stop button, and that's the button you need to be pressing when you wish to stop your recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and push that now. So I push stop, and I have set up my settings in my computer where video recordings will go straight to my desktop, right? So if I go Command Shift 5 again, you'll see that over here I have this option button, and with the option button I can choose where to save them. So that's why they went to my desktop, right? If you wish to have them go straight to mail or another specific location on your computer, you can choose to have that here. Okay, and then you can see I'm gonna exit that again, hit escape, and I double click on that, and right away you can see it's a movie that's preset. It's ready to go up, and I can upload it to wherever I want, Google Classroom, my Google Drive, and share it with students, or direct email. And that's how you can screencast on your Mac.